Hello friends, welcome to your channel. In this video, we will cover Android linear layout. Android linear layout has two orientation. One is horizontal and the other is vertical. When linear layout orientation is horizontal, then the child views of linear layout comes horizontally one after the other. And when linear layout orientation is vertical, then the child views of linear layout comes vertically one below the other. In Android Studio, first we will create a new project. We will select empty activity. We will give a name to the project and language Kotlin. For horizontal linear layout example, we will create a new activity. We will right click in the package where main activity is there, then new activity, empty activity, activity name horizontal activity. In the horizontal activity layout file, we are changing the parent layout to linear layout. Orientation we have given horizontal. Now we are creating three text views inside it, and as you could see, they are coming horizontally one after the other. For vertical linear layout example, we will create a new activity. We will right click in the package, then new activity, empty activity, activity name vertical activity. In the layout file of the vertical activity, we have changed the parent layout to linear layout. Orientation we have given vertical. We are creating three text views inside it, and as we could see, they are coming vertically one below the other. Thank you for watching this video. I keep uploading videos like this regularly. If you like this video, please subscribe to the channel and like and comment in the video.